Good evening to all. So this is our number 4. So the unit is basic DC circuit concept. So today's topic is Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law. So we are using these laws to reduce the complex circuit into simple one. So Ohm's law, we all know. So Ohm's law states that the voltage across the resistor is directly proportional to the current flowing through that circuit or conductor. So I am applying this. So I am including the resistance value. So V of I t is equal to R into I of t. Okay. So this is applicable for inductor as well as capacitor. So P is representing the differential operator. So you can apply this, then we can get that Z of P. So Z of P is impedance function. So V of T is equal to Z of P into I of T. So this law only valid for some condition. So first condition, it does not affect with physical change like temperature variation or material variation. So if otherwise, this Ohm's law is invalid. So next one, KCL. The KCL is Kirchhoff current law. So it is based on the principle of conservation of charge. So the algebraic sum of current within the system cannot be changed. So that is the first point. So the current is changed with respect to charges. So they are also changed. So we are considering at a point, at any point. Okay. So the current is algebraic sum of the current meeting at point or node or junction is 0. So we are considering this circuit. So I1 is entering, I2 is entering, I3 is leaving, I4 is entering, I5 is leaving. So we are adding the algebraic sum, then it becomes 0. So next to one, Kirchhoff voltage law. So Kirchhoff voltage law, again it is based on the principle of conservation of energy. Okay. So the total work done the unit positive charge in the closed path is always 0. Okay. So the algebraic sum of the potential difference in the closed path is 0. Okay. So I considering this closed path. So here this VA drop is moving left side, VB drop is moving left side, VC drop is moving left side. So they are VD only going in the positive side or right side. So then the sum of all the EMFs in the closed loop is equal to 0. Okay, so this is only applicable for series circuit. Okay, so the sign convention of KCL is, so whenever we are finding the voltage source from positive to negative terminal, then the voltage is positive. So when the voltage source is from negative to positive, then the voltage is negative. So for current flow, we are considering the direction of the current flow from the circuit is, then it is positive. If going to the circuit means it is opposite current direction, then the voltage sign should be negative. Okay, so we need to know these 4 conditions for applying KCL, KVL.